Dear students, welcome to Blackboard.
Example 5. If a transversal intersects two lines such that the bisectors of pair of corresponding angles are parallel, then prove that the two lines are parallel. The figure is not given in the question. So, first let us draw a figure according to the question. So, you see the first sentence of the question. If a transversal intersects two lines. So, here we can draw two lines PQ and RS and one transversal. It is AD which intersects PQ at the point B and RS at the point C. Now you see the question again. The bisectors of pair of corresponding angles. So let us mark one pair of corresponding angles in this figure. So I have marked one pair of corresponding angles in this figure. One is angle ABQ. Other is angle BCS. Then saying about bisectors of corresponding angles. So we need to draw the bisector of these angles. So now I have drawn the bisector of angle B. It is BE. And bisector of angle C. It is CG. Now you see the question. The bisectors of pair of corresponding angles are parallel. That means this BE and CG are parallel lines. It is given in the question. BE parallel to CG. Then what we need to prove? We need to prove that the two lines are parallel. That is, we need to prove this PQ and RS are parallel. So once again I will explain the question. This BE and CG are parallel lines. We have to prove PQ and RS are also parallel. So let us write in the figure the transversal AD intersects PQ at B and RS at C respectively. BE is the bisector of angle ABQ and CG is the bisector of angle BCS. Given BE parallel to CG. To prove PQ parallel to RS. Now you see the figure. This angle ABQ. It is bisected by the line BE. We know bisecting means dividing into two equal parts. So these two parts are equal. So this angle ABQ is the double of these two angles. That is double of angle ABE or double of angle EBQ. So let us write it. We have BE is the bisector of angle ABQ. Therefore, angle ABQ equal to 2 times angle ABE. That is angle ABE is the small angle here. The double of angle ABE is angle ABQ. The same idea we can apply here also. We know here CG is the bisector of angle BCS. So these two parts are equal. They are half of this bigger angle BCS, or in other words 2 times BCG equal to angle BCS. So we can write CG is the bisector of angle BCS. Therefore, angle BCS equal to 2 angle BCG. So here we have written 2 times angle ABE equal to angle ABQ. Here we have written 2 times angle BCG equal to angle BCS. Now you see the figure. In the question it is given this line BE parallel to CG and this AD is the transversal. Then which type of angles are this angle ABE and BCG? They are corresponding angles, and we have studied if the lines are parallel, the corresponding angles are equal. So this angle ABE and angle BCG are equal. So let us write we have BE parallel to CG. Therefore, angle ABE equal to angle BCG, corresponding angles. Now take the double of each angles. That is 2 times angle ABE equal to 2 times angle BCG. If angle ABE and angle BCG are equal, then 2 times angle ABE and 2 times angle BCG are also equal. Now we know what is 2 times angle ABE. It is angle ABQ. We have written it. What is 2 times angle BCG? It is angle BCS. So we can write angle ABQ equal to angle BCS. Now you see the figure. Angle ABQ and angle BCS. Which type of angles are this angle ABQ and angle BCS? They are corresponding angles, and we proved here they are equal. We have studied if the corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. So here the corresponding angles are equal. So we can say this line PQ and line RS are parallel. So let us write therefore PQ parallel to RS, because the corresponding angles are equal. So we proved the two lines are parallel. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment. Thank you.